you imagine the poor baggage handlers over this last week? Like best part of 8,000 bags coming into the airport.
It's the morning of the 312 and obviously I'm not doing it. But where we're staying is literally on the route. And there's just so many cyclists going past, it's so exciting. And Darius over there, he's like, come on, come on. I'm literally in my pyjamas, but this is insane, look.
You only want to chase the feeling again. Let's be friends. You only need what's best for you and not them. Don't pretend. Now I don't wanna lose sleep thinking about everything we could be. Let's just see what comes to be. She said we're all made in Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe.
These are the last few riders coming through. Well done. That's it. They're the back riders. Seeing that has definitely made me want to do it next year. Are you gonna do it, Rich? What? I want to do that next year. What? No! You just want to do the route, don't you?
I am viewers for that.
Darius, are you gonna do it next year? Darius is up for it.
Well,
I definitely want to do it. Well, exactly. If everyone else does, then it's going to be a race for you. I really fancy doing it. It looks quite well organised. And I wanted that jersey. We'll do it next year.
She said we're all made in Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe. We just see everything.